man of each age gets the answers to his questions in the universe in which he is living. And for him, that relative truth is enough. It is not falsehood. Looking back from a different age, you may look back and say, this was not right. But for him, for his own limited requirements, that was right. He lived through it and gained and progressed. If he had lived in falsehood, the generations he had left would not progress. And there should only be a deterioration in operation, no progression. But there is a constant progress, which means every age, man of every age gained something and entered a new era of greater knowledge, a higher platform of existence and realities. So that shows that he was living in a world of realities, not of his own imaginations. Similarly, that was the case with the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran gave light to the man of every age. And although you look back and think that their influences were wrong and they were living in a sort of comparative darkness, but the fact is that the man of each age is illuminated. You are illuminated today, but the man of tomorrow, maybe of 1,000 years, would look back at you and say, look here, he knew very little of the Holy Quran, and the one which we know now is so different, so vast, so deep in meaning. And many a mistake which we have committed would be rectified by the future man. So it's only a question of relativity, nothing more.